Hey there, if you're suffering with piriformis syndrome, first of all, my heart goes out to you. I'm so sorry. I deal with people who are suffering, who have suffered with piriformis syndrome for days, weeks, months, and years. My name is Dean Volk. I'm an international sciatica relief expert. I'm here to help you and tell you the 2 things you can do today, right now, right this moment, that will start you on the road to recovery from your piriformis syndrome. And it's really simple. Number 1, stop stretching your painful piriformis muscle. The reason is, if you've got something that's tight and sore and you're pulling it, making it more tight, guess what you're doing? You're also making it more sore. In the same way, if this side of my head was sore and I kept doing this to myself and I told you, hey, you know what? My head's not feeling any better, and I keep hitting it, you would look at me and say, why would you think that your head would get better if you continue to hit it? So my question to you is, if you've got a tight and sore right piriformis muscle and you keep stretching it, what is the difference between that and me hitting myself on my head thinking that it should help? There really is none. Number 2, most of you, if you have piriformis syndrome and have been on the internet at all, watched YouTube videos, gone to physical therapy or chiropractics, they would tell you roll on a tennis ball, massage ball, or a foam roller on that painful side because you've got to break up that tightness, break up those spasms, break up that scar tissue. And if you have done that, I am so sorry because I feel your pain. It hurts. And it shouldn't. It does because you have piriformis syndrome or you've got tightness and spasms in that butt. It's going to kill and it's going to hurt. You're going to get up and think, ooh, that feels a little bit better. And then it's going to come back with a vengeance. In the same way that if I do this to myself, when I stop hitting myself, it actually feels better. I have not done myself any favors because shortly thereafter, it's going to come back with a vengeance. So get a load of this. Try it on the exact opposite side, your pain-free side. Get that ball, that foam roller, that massage ball underneath that pain-free side. Roll on it for about 30 seconds. Just swivel around on it. 2, 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Then stand up, walk around, and tell me how your bad side feels. I challenge you to do these things. When you do, please comment below about how you felt after you tried them. For more tips and tricks on how to overcome sciatica and piriformis syndrome, please join my Facebook group, Sciatica and Piriformis Syndrome Relief Group. Click the link below. You'll be able to get right into it. You'll be able to talk to about 6,000 other people just like you who are finding relief after days, weeks, months, and years. And you can actually ask me questions live on all the different Facebook Lives that I do on that page. I would be loving to be interacting with you and helping you out, getting you out of this pain. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below. Please share it with your friends. And please be sure to hit the red button below and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.